Yo, look back on the boogie when cats used to harmonize like, yo. Yo, look back on the boogie when cats used to harmonize like, yo.
So you get your lint roller, right? You take off a piece. Just need one piece. Wrap it around your hands, like so. Just wrap it around your hands. Let it stick to the other side. And you're gonna go between the cracks, but make sure your hands is in there good. Maybe you hold it down with that one hand and just go in the cracks. You're gonna get whatever has been trying to live in there. That's it. And the second time you shouldn't get nothing. The first time you got most of it, but I got like a piece of hair. That time I got a piece of hair. That's all you need to do. And you'll clean your pouch really well.
I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? He says there's no me without him. Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy, trapped in my memory, constantly holding me, constantly holding me. I need to tell you all the pain he's caused. I need to tell you I'm undone because I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find.
Ladies, always remember to treat yourself. I buy my flowers all the time. I'm not waiting for anyone to buy me flowers. I buy my own flowers. It makes me feel good. Do what makes you feel good for yourself. Like, don't let life and things people say have you thinking, oh, you can't buy yourself flowers. Buy yourself flowers. And with those practices that you do yourself, others will do them for you because they'll see that's what you love doing when you're always talking about it. Don't wait on others to do things for you that you haven't done yourself.
Dear God, make it alright. Only you can make it alright. Dear Lord, make it alright. Nothing else ever feels right. Dear God, make it alright. Nothing else ever feels right. Nah, nah, nah. Nothing else ever feels right.